Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error message you're experiencing with OneDrive. This says OneDrive.exe entry point not found, the procedure entry point, and then it has this random, bunch of letters and characters. Could not be located in the dynamic link library. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I would recommend doing would be to actually open up the search menu, and I'm going to have a file path in the description of the video. It starts with %sign local app data and then ends with /reset. Go ahead and paste this into the start menu search and hit enter. We're going to be resetting the OneDrive application, and then you just would have to sign back in order to gain access to your account. Once you've done that, and hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem for you guys, or at least for most of you, it should have been able to take care of that issue. Something else we could try here as well, if you close out of here, you can open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt, right click on it, and then run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, go ahead and type in SFC, followed by a space, /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your OneDrive issue, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.